So good morning, everyone. My name is 𝗧𝗿𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗵. I'm originally from Guinea, but I'm currently living in Morocco, where I'm pursuing a master's degree in cybersecurity and emerging technologies. So today I'm going to introduce TrustMesh, the reputation layer for Africa, as trust is a currency, so let's make it spendable. Now I'm going to explain where the idea of TrustMesh comes from. I'm not seeing your screen. Okay.
Yeah, I'm trying to get it to advance here. There we go. Okay, go ahead.
Okay, so now I'm going to talk about where the idea of TrustMesh comes from. In Africa, over 500 million of students have ambition, talents, and also trust, but institutions or enterprises can see it. Informal trust exists, but it is not portable. So it's hard to verify their skills, and students struggle to access loans or jobs or internships. So what if trust could move with you? This is the idea of TrustMesh. That's why we built TrustMesh. TrustMesh is a platform powered by Hedera, where trust becomes portable, programmable, and students can receive recognition token code props from peers, professors, and organizations. So what students can do with TrustMesh is just one simple interface to build and share trust. Students can send signals, mint recognitions, allocate trust to close peers, and also export the Flex portfolio as QR plus PDF, and everyone can click to verify on 𝗧𝗿𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗵. So with TrustMesh, we start with campuses as trust network from naturally at universities. We start small and grow wide. In short, we make invisible trust visible. Now my teammate will explain how it works in practice. Thank you for your attention.
So my name is Tim from Nairobi, Kenya, and here's Amara's Journey, who's a student. She receives signals from her professors, and then she builds a network of trusted in real life contacts. Then she can apply for internships with verified credentials and achievements. Then later on, as time goes by, she can also refer her friends and her trusted peers, and leadership grows. Therefore, trust becomes a spendable reputation. Why now? You see, Africa can enhance legacy systems. The demographic is over 70% is informal workforce, a very young population. So this presents a market opportunity of $2.3 billion. So the infrastructure is behind, the trust isn't. And why Hedera? We love Hedera because it's MBFT, secure, finality, prevents retroactive trust manipulation. It's a cheap network, carbon negative. The governance through the Hedera's governing council prevents platform capture or forking. And Hedera isn't just faster, it's the only network where bound and trust systems scale economically. So our roadmap, we are targeting 4 universities. Then the next milestone would be employer-facing verifications. Then the future would be credit scoring and remittance trust. We start with students, then we scale. So early traction over the past 2 months, we've had more than 300 commits, nearly production ready. 125,000 lines of code. We have a proposed HCS 21 and 22 trust and identity binding, which I'm proud to say is the first ecosystem implementation. 84 recognition signals in 5 categories. 53 Gen Z collectible hashino cards and variables mechanism. Sub 2 seconds consensus validated. And all of this is not aspirational, it's already in motion. So next, I'm going to hand it over to Kabru.
Good day, everyone. Kabiru here from Nigeria. So I'll start by talking about the appendix and the important technical and compliance details of TrustMesh. So first of all, I'll start with the business model. So our business model uses a pure token economy, 0.01 TRST per recognition means. Who pays? users, universities, employers. So our pricing model is 135 free mints equals $1.35 CAC, then 0.01 TRC scale each. So in terms of the scale, if 100,000 users use TrustMesh, it would be
sorry,
equal to...
Kabir, but your time's up. Thank you.